welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you everyone for your support. Today I did a fast sketch, however it needs more detail, but I left it for the purpose of shading and lightening practice. Maybe in the future I will do some more effort, but for now just enjoy it. As you can see, I had a sketch created before recording, but for the sake of technique I sprinkled some charcoal dust on it, which entirely wiped out my sketch. This brings me up memories for me which I would like to share with you. It's about those days when I was trying to learn to swim and was afraid of sinking. My friend asked me to try sinking in the water so my fear would go away, and he promised to be there when I was in trouble. So I dived in fear of sinking, and slowly I came to realize that the water does not take us to the ground level. And that's how I learned to control myself in water. From this, I learned that we should not be frightened of learning something new and to allow happy accidents happen frequently. As in this work where my pre-sketch was wiped away, but I was able to restore some of it. If you want to learn, let some accident to occur. If you try to control every step, you will not have any different work. Instead, you will have another random work. Thank you for your time and well wishes for your happy accidents.